If you're serious about buying a home in Italy on a small budget, I'm a firm believer that you don't have to be wealthy to buy something here. You don't have to do it alone, and you don't have to settle for a renovation project. Hi, I'm Kristen. I've been finding and sharing bargain Italian properties since 2024, and I'd like to introduce you to the new Vivere Italia group. Since launching at the end of March 2026, over 400 unique, habitable homes have already been featured, which new members can access. As far as I'm aware, this is the only group sharing 200 Italian homes currently on the market for under 150,000 euros, with members every month for just $10 a month. These are all nice homes, no apartments or renovation properties, and they're all in desirable locations and have something special that is appealing to international buyers. Many have stunning views, terraces, balconies, bonus cellars or outbuildings, land and/or period features, such as exposed stone walls, wood-beamed ceilings, antique flooring, and so on. I think you'll be very impressed with the quality and also the prices and locations of the homes that are shared in this group. But they don't stay on the market forever. And if you're at all skeptical, I can honestly say I know this works because it's how we found our beautiful 40,000 euro house in Sardinia. This is also a place to get to know other like-minded buyers, to ask and answer questions, share your plans and experiences, and to learn from others who have already successfully bought in a place in Italy. The 16 essential home buying videos are also now free after a month of membership. I hope you decide to join us, and if so, I'm positive that this group will help you keep on top of the current market, narrow down the area you'd like to buy in, gain a lot of insight into the realities of buying a place in Italy, and hopefully help you find the perfect home. There's a link in the bio of this YouTube channel and in the video description below. Otherwise, you can go on the school platform and search for Vivere Italia.